In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Spotify subscription. We'll go from opening Spotify to completing your payment so you can start enjoying ad-free music and downloads right away. First, open your web browser and search for Spotify. Then go to the official site at open.spotify.com. If you're not signed in yet, you'll see the option to log in. Enter your email or username, then click Continue. If you're prompted, select Login with a password, type in your password, and click Log In. Make sure you're logging into the account you want to upgrade, especially if you manage multiple accounts or share a device. Once you're in the web player, look for the Explore Premium button and click it. This takes you to the Premium page, where you can see what's included, like offline listening and unlimited skips. Click View All Plans to compare what's available in your region. Pricing and plan names can vary by country, so read the details carefully. Choose the plan that fits your needs and click it to proceed. If you're asked to pick a duration, such as a 1-month option or a 1-year option, select the one you prefer, then click Continue. This will bring you to the checkout page. On the checkout page, choose your preferred payment method. You'll see options that are supported in your country. If you want to pay with GCash, select GCash. Before moving on, confirm the total amount and make sure your payment method has sufficient balance or is set up properly. Click Complete Purchase to continue. You'll be redirected to a secure payment page where a QR code appears for GCash. Keep this page open. Open your GCash app on your phone, use the scan feature to scan the QR code displayed on your computer, and follow the prompts in the app to authorize the payment. If you're browsing on the same phone, just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the payment within GCash. After you confirm the payment in your GCash app, wait a moment for the transaction to process. You'll be returned to Spotify or see a success confirmation. Once the payment is approved, your account upgrades to Premium automatically. If you don't see the change right away, refresh the page or sign out and back in. That's it. Your Spotify Premium subscription is now active. Enjoy uninterrupted music, higher audio quality, and the ability to download your favorite songs for offline listening. If you ever want to switch plans later, you can revisit the Premium page and manage your subscription from there.